Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just bringing you some more ETFs. I haven't made a individual video about all of these yet. I've done quite a few of them, but just bringing these to your attention with the blue wave, and just wanted to make these aware to you. If you follow the MJ stocks. They're all going up, as you know, in regards to the blue wave, the Democrats getting in and everything, the decriminalization, as well as trying to make it all legal on a federal level. So again, just bringing these to your attention, just a quick video here. A lot of these I've talked about, and I'll tell you which ones I have so far, and you can check my library and watch those individually themselves. Anyway, moving forward, it's plenty of the MJ equities and related exchange traded funds will exit 2020 with their best performances in some time, and that's helped by the election day. And again, like I said, the blue wave, but it's kind of with that in mind, here's 7 best ETFs for the MJ Bulls to buy right now. As I told you in some of my other videos, if you follow my channel and watched all the MJ videos, my biggest holding for ETFs is the MJ, the Alternative Harvest. This one I haven't tried yet. I did just buy a share or two of yellow. I don't have this one yet either. This one I have a couple shares. I've made a couple videos about it. This one I haven't tried. I'm probably going to try them all tomorrow, kind of watch them and kind of see where it goes and keep you updated on those. But there's still plenty of risk equities in the space, and a lot of these that I like them is they're safer. And like I said, I'll do a breakdown of each one of them. They have different holdings. A lot of them do give a dividend, which is kind of nice. It's rather small, but something's better than nothing. If you go into the individual stocks, per se, like Canopy or Aurora or Freya, those do not give a dividend. So these ETFs do. So if you're looking for a safer play with a dividend, this is the best route to go. Again, I'm not telling you to buy, sell. I don't give trading advice, legal or tax advice. You can do that on your own, just bringing these to your attention before they go up. So just trying to build the community here and show you good stocks to get into, and so we can all make some money together. A lot of them have an expense ratio, so that's one thing to look at. So if you had like a $10,000 investment, it's going to cost you $75 or the 0.75 per year. Again, these ETFs are dedicated to MJ stocks. Recently marked $1 billion in assets under management. I'm not for sure. I want to say this is the largest ETF out of all of them, but don't quote me on that. I haven't researched. I'm just kind of bringing them to your attention and do a more in-depth on a later time. But MJ is proving sensitive to the aforementioned political tailwinds in the United States. The ETF now sports a fourth quarter gain, 40.26%. Last I checked, this one was a $17 or $18 stock, and as I told you in my other video, I bought a couple shares of this one back in August for $10, and so it's almost doubled since then. So that's why I want to bring them to your attention before they go up anymore. So if you're looking to get in, now's the time. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell, but just bringing them to your attention. And as you know, I already did a video on Freya and Tilray. They did their merger. I need to do a follow-up on that one, I guess. Those two stocks combined 17% of MJ's roster, so you can see there's quite a few different stocks. Freya and Tilray making up 17 and MJ. But this is another one, MSOS. I don't have any of that one yet. I'm going to be doing an individual video on that. Like I said, I'm going to try to get at least one share of each and just kind of do a comparison probably down the road, and probably going to try to actually get as many shares as I can of these, but just want to try a little bit of each. They all have different expense ratios. As you can see, this one's a little bit less at 0.74. And again, this is the advisor share ETF. Focus on the US MJ market with its September 1 debut. So some of these just rolled out. So they are kind of smaller companies, but they're all ETFs, and like I said, they all do give a dividend. So, but you can check my library. I've done, I believe, a video on YOLO a week or so ago, and I do have a couple shares of that one so far. Again, an expense ratio similar to MJ. This is the Advisor Shares Pure MJ ETF. I'm not going to say that word. Don't want to hurt my channel. So that's why I say MJ in the place. But as you can see, up 41.77 year to date. So another reason why I want to bring these to your attention. Again, I'm not going to read the whole article to you. Don't want it to be more than 10 minutes. Another one is CNBS. I kind of like the tickers, so if you catch the drift, but Amplify Seymour MJ ETF. I don't have any of this one. Again, kind of the same expense ratio. So again, back to the beginning, if you had 10,000, it'd cost you 75 for the year. I mean, you can look at them individually if you just want to invest in the companies individually. Like I said, these are a safer play. I do have a couple shares of the THCX. It's a little bit less of a expense ratio. I want to say it's a $18 or $20 stock, but don't quote me on that. I won't go into that at this particular time, just to save time on the video. But the next one is a POTX, and a little bit less on the expense ratio. Looks like a lineup of 18 different stocks. So like I said, a little bit safer play on the ETFs, plus the nice thing, you get the dividend, and some people like that. So considering only 10 years ago, recreational MJ was illegal in all 50 states, these results present a nationwide push to relax MJ laws. According to the Global X research, after these initiatives, 33% of the population will have access to legalized MJ for adult use, and 70% of all states have legalized MJ for medical use. If you want to, if you have Netflix, there's a couple good shows on Netflix. Just type in MJ or this word here that starts with a C, and you'll find a couple good shows on Netflix. Again, the expense ratios are getting lower, which is a good thing, so it doesn't cost you so much to be in them. Two big things to like about Cambria ETF. First, it's actively managed. Second, the annual fee is 0.42, is cheap by the standards of any actively managed fund, and the lowest in the cannabis ETF category. So there you go. If you want the lowest one, 0.42 on this particular one. There's another perk to Toke being an active fund. Its area of focus is micro, mid, and small cap stocks, groups that lend themselves to benefiting from active management in the MJ stock landscape. Toke's lineup through concentrated is diverse as the industry level. So very interesting. I also have some hydroponic stocks. Grow Generation, there's another one, Village Farm, I would recommend for you to take a look at, VFF. Go ahead and take a look at my video. You'll get some more information about that one. as well as Scott's Miracle Grow is another one. That's just been a powerhouse. That's up over $200, and that gives a dividend as well. So again, just wanted to bring these 7 best ETFs to you. Sorry it wasn't that great of a video, but I wanted to bring those to your attention. Again, this is on Yahoo Finance. I apologize, it's kind of an older uh, article, but again, I thought it worthwhile to bring it to your attention for those that follow my channel and follow the MJ field. These were great ones for you to look at. Back to the Scott's Miracle Grow, that one gives a dividend. Grow Generation does not, and Village Farms does not. But go ahead and check out my library and you'll find more information there on those. But that's enough for this one. If you haven't hit the like button, what are you waiting for? It's don't wait until tomorrow. Have about an hour and 15 minutes left of this day, so do it today. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that. Step on it, jump off the top rope or your couch and drop an elbow on it if you're a wrestler. Again, just bring in some ETFs. Go ahead and check, I think, Friday's videos. I dropped a bunch of other ETF videos individually, but this kind of hits the 7 best ones. So I'll be doing a follow-up on these and let you know which ones I purchase. And if you have any of these, leave me a comment. It would be interesting. And happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.